fun topic for you. Does a straw have one hole or two?
What?
I saw that tweet.
No. Think about it yourself. How many holes does a straw have?
One?
Why?
Because it's one hole that ends into the other, you know, like in the other end, but it's one hole.
Okay, Kyle, what do you think? Kyle?
I'm thinking.
Don't let anybody waver your opinion. Form an opinion on yourself.
Kyle, why 3 holes?
Yeah, why 3?
I don't know.
Kyle?
Maybe we just need to think out of the box.
Maybe.
Out of the box? There is no box here.
It's not a box,
Out
it's
of
a
the straw.
Are you talking about my litter box?
Ew! I don't want to know about that.
You know, Justice has to clean my litter box every week.
Ew! They touch your poop every week. They touch it. Why don't you clean? Oh, I guess.
Jeez.
Ew!
I am a cat. I don't clean my own poop.
The Justice has to clean Rara poop every week. Artists, draw that.
No, don't draw that.
You're the one who mentioned it.
That's my private moment.
Accept the consequences of your actions.
No, that's my private.
If it was private, then why did you share with the class, huh?
Well, I'm sharing with just 2 people here. I didn't see anyone else.
Just 2 people, okay.
You know? And you want to find topic, that's it.
Yeah.